Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri, you're on a channel about car sound deadening, and today we have a second part of soundproofing for Toyota FJ Cruiser. So we already disassembled the whole interior, and according to the class of this car, we didn't find anything that will be stopping the noise except of this couple of sheets. And in the front area there is a insulation with a hot material. And let's compare just outside. You see, yeah? It's like can, unfortunately. So the customer plans to travel a lot with this car, so we decided to soundproof it. Its only first vibration layer was installed. And on top of that, it would be STP Sandwich Bromo. I will show you later. And we start with degreasing the surface, preparing for applying the first STP Gold material. That's gonna be our Premium Plus package with the 2 layers. Partially it was already done, and I measure and cut each sheet of the STP Gold and install by avoiding the mounting place of the seats. And firmly roll the material to avoid any air bubbles, water bubbles, anything, to have a monolith structure. As you can see, we put materials almost everywhere in this car, on the rear quarters, on the front foot area, trying to put as maximum on the firewall as we can. By installing this material, we will stop all metal rattles that we have in the boot area and in the front area. Also wheel arches. Wheel arches are a really important thing, and let's take a look on the second and third material, STP Sonora. We install it on the rear side on the quarters. Yeah, so it will stop the high and medium frequency noise, and STP Bromo on the floor and on the foot area as maximum as we can in the firewall. And start disassembling the roof to have an access to the metal. Later on we will see that there is nothing, it's absolutely nothing there, it's completely empty. So practically it means that all drops, air winds while you are driving, the metal will rattling, resonate and create a discomfort while you are driving. So we will fix it, same with the 2 layers. Firstly we will install vibration damping to create a proper rigidity for the metal. We do connect it just sheet by sheet, trying to avoid any spaces between the material. Also firmly roll it later on, don't forget this step, this is a mandatory. And we install 2 different materials here according to the space that we have. And finally remove everything from the standard carpet. We don't need this synthetic padding, it's pretty old and it doesn't work. It just can absorb the water, moisture and be stinky. And finally also we covered all plastic to avoid any rattles and avoid the plastic. Hello Fedor, nice to see you. Thanks for giving me your car for soundproofing. So firstly, as I remember 1 month ago, yeah, so we soundproofed the 4 doors, and now you decide to brought your car to my workshop to do the full soundproofing, the roof. We did the floor, the boot area. We did this with the Premium Plus. This is almost the maximum that we can do. So, and now it's been a while, approximately 1 week.
Yeah, so and if you have a chance to give us a honest feedback, we would really, I
Sure.
would really appreciate it.
Sure. Day and night. This is a utilitarian car. There is a lot of squeaks out of the factory, especially in the back of the car. You could constantly hear the noises, especially from the wheels and the whole like quarter panels against the top quarter panel. It's always squeaking there. That's all gone completely. On the motorways, I definitely can't hear almost anything except just when the car passes by, you might hear something from the through the glass, maybe. But I don't think it can be done or can be improved. Otherwise, what else? The music started to be a little better. Out of the factory, again, not the best speakers in this car. I'm planning to change the audio system here eventually, but it's still getting a little better. I can definitely hear a little more bass compared to what it used to be. Other than that, it was perfect. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very great.
Thank you, Fedor, for your honest feedback. So hopefully we will see you in the next videos. Maybe Fedor will decide to soundproof the last part in this car, but
The
who
next
knows?
one probably would be a dash because it's squeaking. Like
The last
hell.
one, yeah, the last mile for your car.
Yeah.
All good? Thank you, Fedor. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
See you.
Все нормально?